Good morning, guys. Okay, so this is our temporary space where we're planting. Let's go help my dad rearrange it. I was gonna set you guys up and you can watch. I'm gonna lift up and then you draw that slowly. Don't keep it on, keep it on level. This one? You pass them to me, mom. Yeah. Pass it to me. Yeah. Watch out for the. Oops, sorry. I need watering. This one's wet. Some of them. But I feel like it's about to rain anyways. But yeah, you can see that this one is more dry. So you're not pulling out any more, Dad? You can see they're looking really good. It's actually raining right now. I'm trying to hurry up and get the video for you guys. Show you how nice these are looking like. Really good. We just went through and pulled out some of the 2x4s because we need them. And we replace it with some of these. Because why buy more when we can use the ones that we already have? Okay, so this is Craig, aka Nanny. He's putting up this thing for us. Run sideways. This counter need to go straight down to the wall. A mark it for you. Where you put it? The board. I say I want to put on it. I'm tell us I cut the road. But this is a big counter top over there, so yes. As long as it's a counter top. Yeah, this is a counter top. Okay, but I thought you just go over with the board right on it and solid all this stuff. Why not do that? You know what that's stronger. But that's when me and it are to stay. Why you and Neil and you're not putting this food on? Me and go cook it. That's happy first. I'm not come out. At the end of the day, the counter supposed to come hard on the wall. Alright, no problem. We have to maximize this space that we can get this in and get a little counter. If you have cut up a chicken, you have a little spot where we can do. Right? That is why we mark and show them. All the others are saying, no, we don't have a little space, can cut up a little chicken and leave in a gap where we could get counter. Don't make sense. You understand me, I say? Don't make no sense. You understand me? You have the width already and everything. You don't need to send not more to it. Wow. So, all right. Wow, thank you very much. Okay, so I'm gonna fry my egg while he's measuring that out. So I'm my breakfast, my coffee. Okay, so this is the sink. Okay guys, so this is going to be our temporary counter space. We're gonna cover it over.
But yeah, this whole thing is a temporary kitchen as well. So it's not going to stay like this permanently, but like we need to start making an income from the property. And so we're trying to save money where we can.
It's kind of too fancy for a temporary thing. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so we're gonna go get another one.
A little cheaper one until we finish the place. You can put in the correct thing.
Okay. So this is the faucet she went and got. Yeah, cause the other one a little bit too nice for in. It's temporary something. Yeah, she said ugly, but it's not that bad. Yeah, yeah, cause it's white. From the hardware. Stop off inside. Okay, guys, so we're going into town now, Port Antonio, to go get things for the nursery. So I'm taking you with me.
Let's on the right if you want. You want to keep it on that one?
Yes, it's okay, huh?
Yeah, one.
I think I'm gonna have a problem with this.
Let me see.
I have a strong feeling.
Yeah, it's thinner.
So, yeah, yeah. Mm.
So it's a little bit more thicker.
Yeah,
Too
but
thick.
shorter. Come, you know, one with children right too.
Yeah, but shredding one.
You
No.
could have get if you have the same thickness.
I'll show you something. The one that I have, it have a different head. You know, they're
Flat head it have?
no, the umbrella head.
Let me see that.
Let me show you.
Come on.
That's the closest thing I think.
Mm.
More threading, but it's really it's the same thing.
Same length?
Yep. And let me see.
So
what not much difference.
Send the turns.
Hmm?
The turn is, you know, I'm starting it. Here's the way.
Yes, so this should have got you more, so you have to give me more length.
Alright, the good part about it, it's in threading.
Alright. Yeah, wash your feet up.
Yes, sir.
Mm. Alright. You run with
You
it
want to
then.
make, you want to run a race with this one?
Yeah, me I go rock with that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So 13 of those, right?
Okay, 30 of these.
Mm-hmm. We need 14, but me I one already, so
Alright.
13 more. Mm-hmm. You know a bigger washer?
Big washer.
Them are too small, man. Yeah. No size washer here, is it?
Okay, that means that you need to wash inside because this washer is different from ours.
You know a big one, the biggest washer you have,
Yes.
which one? Show me.
So,
Will
it
that,
can work, it can work.
where's the nut? The nut, that
This is
won't
a
go
nut.
over it?
This is a nut.
Problem is this washer have too much play in it. Let me see. Let me see again.
More threading is better.
Yeah, but you see the problem?
Okay.
I want with a billet, a smaller inner hole. Huh? But that have fall over too. And not even,
Try this one.
and it have, huh? It's kind of,
It will hold.
no man, once you tighten it, it will go.
Try it.
Once you put that, stress on it,
Too near, yeah.
it's too close, yeah. You know, too close one. Once you pressure it, it's gone, you know. Yeah.
Yes, you have a big nut.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, then that no solve the problem, man. Same threading but bigger, fatter. Hmm? Oh, yeah, look, some bars like,
Yeah,
eh?
connect about what
Oh,
10 millimeter was deal with the smart.
that are them smaller than what you need.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Sure, you know, one wash down them one somewhere in the corner, them one. You know you have one washer around there, you know, eh? Anytime I put pressure upon this, you know what I got. Eh?
No, so you put it on your sound. That's
Hmm?
you find it back, man.
If I put pressure upon this, it'll go through. I tell you that,
Yeah,
you
not
know?
too close, man.
Yeah, man, I go pop through, you know? Mm-hmm. That I go pop through. This good work. Yes. You know?
You can use that wash on them.
Now go try it. This one is 70. Alright, give me 13 of this complete. 113. So I need some washer now.
Anything else?
Yeah, me need some sink, you know, the stopper them we're going on the sink, we stop the whole them. But the fat go, hey, what going? Yeah.
Small one. Where did this come
Oh,
from?
what?
What
Never seen
is
that size.
this?
Never seen that size.
It's so baby. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Is this a new thing? I've never seen this before.
That must be new because I've never seen that size
I wish I
before.
had a different flavor. I should bring this and give that. I'm through this. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I wish I had a little peach on it. I'll drink half and you can drink half. Oh, there's a baby bigger. One drink for each of them lunch. What do you want? You want something? You want Sprite? You want a Sprite?
I don't drink soda.
No. Let me see what I want.
I would take a peanut punch if they have peanut punch. What?
What? You that for? Take what you want.
I'm gonna get a peanut punch because I really only drink water and
Sucker Jen
tea.
on that side. Oh, here's some. Oh, it's right here.
Where?
Oh, it's Sucker Jen. Oh, yeah, peanut punch right here.
Okay.
I saw it there.
Okay, so we got technically everything that we needed and it came up to 2,900. So yeah. Now we're gonna go get lunch. We need a chef. So this is how we're getting our lunch. Oh yes, nice.
Oh, the hot wings.
Rice and peas. Ooh, and she bring out the fresh one too. Just in time. My mom got potatoes, chicken, and veg. And this is the jerk chicken that I got jerk. Oh my gosh. Okay, well here's my mom doing, I don't know what. What are you planting?
Lavender.
You see this brand?
The Fairy Moss brand with all of these different pictures, beautiful different pictures. Don't be fooled like me. They caught me like a wild yam. Wildflowers, I was a wild yam. Look at this.
It's all the same seed.
All of these, they look so pretty. So you think, oh, I'm getting this one and that one and that one. So you buy all of them, all of what was on the stand, just to see that they're all, when I compare the seeds, they're all the same. Maybe this is the only one they can't do that because it's sunflowers. So they can't mix that. But everything else, yep.
I'm just asking him if he can get up so early.
Yeah. All right, come on in then.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
So we're coming to an end of the video, guys. So I want to say, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Check out our Instagram channel if you want to see more of us. And thank you guys so much for watching. We will talk soon.